Now, the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has registered an FIR against Bollywood actors Arbaz Khan and Sohail Khan for violating COVID norms. Arbaz and Sohail, along with Sohail's son Nirvan, returned to Mumbai on December 25th from UAE. As per COVID rules currently in place due to the new strain of the virus, the brothers were supposed to go for 7-day institutional quarantine. The BMC has said that initially the actors gave a false undertaking to quarantine themselves at Taj Lands End Hotel, but instead they went to their Bandra home. Police said that the FIR has been registered at the Khar police station.
खार पुलिस स्टेशन में एक एफआईआर दाखिल किया गया है बीएमसी के मेडिकल ऑफिसर के तकरार के ऊपर। तकरार ऐसा था कि 3 व्यक्ति जो परदेश से वापस आए थे उनको एक जगह क्वारंटीन होने के आदेश किया गया था, परंतु वो आदेश की उल्लंघन करते हुए अपने घर वापस चले गए। इसके वजह से कलम 188 आईपीसी और कलम 3 एपिडेमिक डिजीज एक्ट के अंदर गुना दाखिल है और आगे की तपास चालू है।
Saurabh Bhaktania is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Saurabh, while this is highly irresponsible of the two actors and a lot of questions are being asked of both Arbaz and Sohail, we understand there's been no statement from them. I also want to focus on why the authorities failed to track them closely and check up on them if they were actually quarantined at Taj Lands End.
So this is, Akshita, huge lapses from the officials itself also, because how can they leave the passengers coming from the Middle East or Europe directly to the institutional quarantine? Because what the brothers are claiming that they went through the RT-PCR test and their reports came negative and therefore they went to their home. But the guidelines clearly mention that the passengers arriving from Middle East and Europe have to go to institutional quarantine compulsory, and the RT-PCR will be done after 7 days. Now, what the latest information, Akshita, in this case we are getting right now is we spoke to the BMC officials. They have said that late in the night, Arbaz, Sohail and Sohail's son Nirvan are sent to the Taj Lands End Hotel in Bandra West. Now, they will be placed under the quarantine inside the hotel itself, and after 7 days their RT-PCR test will be done. Very importantly, Akshita, on recently, weeks back, there was Salman Khan's birthday. It was celebrated and Sohail, Arbaz, they too participated in this whole birthday party. So a huge massive contact tracing has also been initiated by the BMC officials in this case now, but clearly a huge lapses in this case. The inquiry is already on that.
Yes.
How can a passengers from airport directly leave and go to their home without any checks? So this is what the BMC officials are right now investigating, and the contact tracing is on in this case.
What's clear, Saurabh, is that questions must be asked of Arbaz and Sohail Khan. Questions, however, must be asked of the BMC and the authorities as well as to how this lapse happened. Saurabh, thank you for joining us this morning.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.